Hey guys, my name is Nobody. So today I'm gonna show you how can you fix your iPhone 4S stuck on Apple logo while updating. So as you can see here, I already fixed this one by using the method I use. So I tried multiple methods to fix that, and I found the very working solution for this one. So let me show you this one. So I tried to downgrade my iPhone 4S to iOS 8.4.1, but here's the problem. When I open the phone, it's just stuck in here in the Apple logo, and then the loading thing appears, and then it just restarts, redoing again, then it starts again and again. As you can see, look at that. So to show you what is my exact point of making the video is this thing. So just check, wait for a while, and then it will just automatically reboot itself and then come back from the start. So there we go. So it takes a while to show you the problem, and there we go, it boots again. So how do we fix this? So first, you need to download an iTunes. Okay, you need to download an iTunes and then plug it in. There you go. As you can see, it's stuck and it's gonna loop forever. So as you can see, I plugged it in. So what I gotta do next? What I'm gonna do? So I'm gonna hold home button and power button together. There you go. Do it at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So you see it's now gone. Wait for a while, and then release the power button and then hold this home button for 8 to 10 seconds. Okay, so if the computer responds and it's all stays black, it's normal. Okay, now it comes from DFU mode in your iTunes, so just click OK, and as you can see, it reads the iTunes. So all you need to do is restore and then restore and update. So you don't need to do anything, just wait for it to respond in the phone until it comes up, until it's done. So it's waiting for iPhone, and then it's good to go. So as you can see, the phone is glitching, the screen is not turning good. It's glitching, but it's normal, guys. You don't need to worry about it. As long as the iTunes is working on it, the phone will be in good condition. So as you can see, it turns back normal. So I think that's it. So as you can see, the phone is restoring the firmware, and then the iPhone is now working on it. So there we go. It's already done, guys. So we wait for this to comes out open. Okay, let's wait for it to show the welcome display. All right. Okay, there we go. It's almost there, and you're good to go. All you have to do now is set up the phone. Get started, and you're good to go. Everything works fine now. Now your iPhone is ready to use, no more problem, and yeah, pretty much it. I think that's all. Yeah, goodbye.